We can see that this is a limiting reagent problem because we're given amounts of two different reagents. In this problem, we have to create the balanced chemical equation from the description. From the question context, we can see that ammonia and oxygen are the reagents, and the products are NO and water. So we have our balanced chemical equation, we have our formula weights, we're ready to go. So we've determined how much product can be produced from each reagent if it were consumed completely. We select the smaller of the two as our max product, and now we look at the sig figs that go into this result. To determine the sig figs in our answer, we look at the numbers that go into our result. So we have 4 sig figs, 4, this is exact, and this has 4 sig figs. So we can report 4 sig figs in our answer. In this case, our calculator answer and the correct answer are the same.